What do you think?
I think it's beautiful. We made it. We are in the Exumas.
Woo-hoo.
And not just in the Exumas, but in the Land and Sea Park. Whoop, whoop. We crossed over from Eleuthera, and it was nice, smooth sailing.
Caught a mackerel.
Caught a fish.
Beautiful mackerel.
Oh, he's a big one. He was good. Then we anchored out at Lobster Key, checked out some of the coral, and get this, caught lobster, which was good. Had to stock up there because there is no lobstering, there's no fishing. It is look, but don't touch or take inside the park. It's all protected. It is just for exploring. And that we are ready to do. Let's go. We're gonna start in the water.
I got the cameras.
Thanks for holding it.
There's our boat. Here's snorkeling. Where do we go? Like an eighth of a mile?
Maybe more like a 16th, maybe?
Drop the hook, honey.
I went and grabbed one of the little rate envelopes for the mooring balls here. And for a 40 to 49 foot vessel, that would be us, it's $30 per night for the moorings. There you go. Or you can stay where we are, and I'm fairly certain it's free because it doesn't mention anything about anchor rates for smaller boats. I'm gonna go put it back.
Running late as usual this morning.
Yes, but not too late.
It's high tide, straight up. We're supposed to go in here on an incoming tide because the water's so skinny and there's no way out. Once you're in, you're in.
No, but once you get to the other side, then we can come
No, there's a
around.
sandbar. You can't get out.
Oh.
So literally, if you get stuck in here, you're stuck until high tide again.
Oh, Jason. It's gonna be fine. Such a worry wart. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day to be positive. It's gonna be good. No vessel to exceed 3 knots. So easy does it. Yep, there's a ray. Oh, it's a spotted ray. Oh, he's so pretty. And there he goes.
That's a nice start. There you go. Success. Right off the bat. I think I'm going to kill the engine and paddle.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Well, there he is, right in front of us again.
Come here, little ray. Oh, you're so pretty. He's so happy we killed the engine. He's like, thank you.
Just swimming all around us. We're still in Shroud Key at the north end, and what we're paddling through is an estuary just surrounded by mangroves, and this is one of at least 3, I believe, that cut through this island, but it is the only one that you can take a motorized vehicle. Vehicle? Boat. Vessel?
Vessel. There we go.
But anyway, it's supposed to be lots of marine life and dead ends in this beautiful sandbar at the beach. And that's why you can get stuck in here, is if you don't plan correctly, then all the water will be gone and you'll be stuck. Is there something over there?
No, it's a rock.
No, just a rock.
Yeah.
Another thing I feel like I have to point out is I know there's probably some rigid inflatable boat paddling experts out there, and I'm paddling this way so I can see. I'm aware that it's probably more effective to paddle with my back, like this, but then I can't see. So that's why I'm not paddling this way.
And why are we late?
It's probably my fault. I didn't make coffee fast enough. It's definitely not Nikki's fault.
It's my fault. That was really nice of you not to throw me under the bus.
Oh, I know what would happen if I did.
I can throw me under the bus. You can't throw me under the bus.
Exactly. And we're getting to some mangrove lined areas.
Okay.
On both sides. We got a turtle. Everyone be really quiet. Success, we made it.
You did. Oh, late and all.
Late and all.
See, I told you it was gonna be fine.
I know, but you see the other people coming in like full throttle. Jerks. They were probably more worried than I was. Come on, honey. Ooh, sugary soft.
Oh, that is good sand right there. All this sand and perfectly blue water that's kind of the perfect beach, isn't it? You just walk out there for at least a mile, I bet you. Supposed to be driftwood, or so I thought. And then people that we met up top said in their little brochure it talked about a driftwood, like little cabin or hut or whatever up there, but that's not there either anymore. So now it's just a lovely beach with a short little hike up to give you perspective. Still well worth the visit, just no driftwood.
That just does not get old. It's so beautiful. Just beautiful.
What is it?
That's a shark.
You're pretty close. My walking 1 mile out might have been an overstatement, I think, but low tide, maybe. We're a 16th of a mile out. And we're already here, but the water is so clear, it's deceiving because it looks like it would be like the same depth for quite a while. But I don't think that's the case. If you see our shark friend, you better speak up.
Okay. Oh, is that him right there?
Stopping.
I think so.
I think so.
Turn on the underwater camera. Here he comes.
Kidding me.
He's coming close. He's just curious. Until he bites us.
Curiosity turns to lunch quickly.
Yep.
I don't know why, but I always feel more safe when I'm in the water and
With
I can
them.
see them.
Yeah.
Like you can gauge what's going on and their behavior a little bit better. He just sees
Legs.
turkey legs. Not an aggressive looking shark, but it still doesn't mean I want him swimming around my legs. Oh, that didn't scare me. Going for a little ride there?
I was thinking about it. The current looks nice. It'll take me out to the sandbar and kind of eddy me out right here. Maybe straight to the shark.
That's
you never
what
know.
I was thinking.
I got the camera just in case. Don't worry about me. Just get the camera.
I'm really glad we upped your insurance policy. How's the ride?
Watch out for that
How was it? Oh, so
Good fun.
slow.
Good fun.
Is it scary at all or just fun?
A little nervous at first.
It looked fun.
Yeah, but it was good.
No different than floating a lazy river, getting tossed over in a kayak on a river.
Nope.
Except for there's not sharks in the river.
Oh, of course. Leave your hat on.
Picked up right here. I swam over a little too quickly. Should have gone further out.
It's alright, I was chicken the first time too.
You're kind of thinking, how far will it take me out there? No big deal.
Not with 20 horsepower.
Yeah, true. Man, there's people with like a little 6 or 9 horsepower, and they were really struggling to go against this current. Kept getting shoved into the rocks. I was worried for him.
Shark, shark, shark.
Looks like he's sleeping. Oh, nope, he's moving.
He's moving now. Hear me say shark.
He's like, oh, I've got an audience. I better wake up.
Do something shark-like.
That was a fun adventure. I like that.
Me too.
I am recording track and ready to rock and roll. On to Wardrobe Wells.
It's not that we're ready to go yet, it's the fact that another blow is coming potentially, according to the wind predictions, from the west, and there's absolutely no protection here from the west, which means we have to hurry up, get to the spot we really want to see, so we can get to somewhere that we might have protection. The crazy part about living on a boat.
You are at the whim of Mother Nature.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Little boat yoga there.
I love that bridle, but I hate it. Still gotta bring up the anchor, okay. That way. Hey guys, wanna see what else we're up to? You can find us on Instagram by clicking the Join Us button on the screen. And a huge shout out to our patrons for keeping these videos flowing. Thanks guys.